Hi, today I'm gonna tell you how to make a fixed replay endless subscription for free. All the time codes you can find under the video. So let's start. First of all, if you have or had registered in the FX replay, you need to go to settings in your browser, type cookies, third-party cookies, and see all site data. We are searching for a fixed replay. We're deleting all of the cookies. We're closing the site. And if you have ever used Temp mail, same, deleting. So now we go into a fixed replay and on Temp mail. Here we will be take mail for our fixed replay account. Press sign in, sign up, go to Temp mail, waiting for mail to generate, copying, paste in here, confirm, and create. Creating username, creating password. So now we need to verify our mail. We are going to Temp mail again, clicking here and confirm an account. So we have verified our mail. Then pressing monthly, Pro Trader, verifying by captcha. So this is our order, saying that you will be charged after 5-day trial. So what's that? You need a credit card or debit card or PayPal account where you don't have any money. Is the best option, but you can also have money there. We just will end subscription before trial ends. So we add in fake billing address, no matter what's name you will provide, country, state. Now we are selecting credit card, providing information. I will take card where I don't have any money. So okay, we provided all of the info. Pressing subscribe. Okay, we are waiting. Okay, then just continue. Okay, now we have our FX replay premium account. What we do next? Go to settings, subscription, manage subscription. Then we go into FX replay, cancel subscription. Okay, I don't know, too expensive, absolutely will, and cancel an account. So now we have cancelled our subscription. FX replay won't take money out of card because you don't have subscription, but you have 4 days remaining on your account. We could check it, creating session. For example, like this. Everything is working. Indicators, all of the indicators we can add. Okay, I will make my own chart and then we'll continue. So alright, we have our chart, and as you can see we can use a fixed replay. Also we can use news, but we need to change them a little bit. Yes, and now you have premium FX replay subscription for free. And after 5 days you can continue to use free version, which is not very bad. I'm using free version by myself, but after 5 days you need to log out. You need to go to settings again, then type cookies and make all from the start. If you're interested, I can make video about my indicator. This indicator shows Asia session, Frankfurt, London and New York session. Also check out our free Discord channel, link also in the description. Smash the like button if I help you. If you have any questions, ask them in comments. I will answer them ASAP. Subscribe and bye bye. I'm waiting for you in Discord.